Hey, what's up mga kapuseng? Isang panibagong araw at isang panibagong video na naman. Ito may ipapakita po kami sa inyo. Magpipitas kami ng press na
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Oh, kabuseng.
Yan.
Ang sarap ng pipino.
So, kana. Kailangan oy. Kailangan natin ng gunting o scissor. So, mga kabuseng.
Para dami oh. Daming bulak.
Oh.
Marami kabuseng.
Mga kabuseng, ito na ang kabuseng. Ito na mga kabuseng ang hina-harvest namin na fresh na pipino o cucumber. Mukbangin natin to. Pero sa hindi pa tayo magmumukbang, mag-pray muna tayo. Salamat sana kung sa Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Yung suka.
Lord, thank you kay Lord sa
Aming
grasya nga naabot na mo karon. Salamat kayo sa maayong pagbunga sa amo ang pipino nga mo ang gitanom. Thank you kay Lord, maraming salamat. Kung hindi pa sa inyo, hindi to maumunga ng marami. Thank you kay Lord, maraming salamat. Sa anak Kristo Santo, amen. Ito mga kabuseng, para sumasarap ang kainan, meron tayong suka at may kasama pang siling ulikot. Pipino
with vinegar.
para kikinis ang ating mga kutis, mga kasama kong alien. Kakain tayo ng pipino.
Para babalik ko doon sa aking planeta.
Pag babalik ka sa inyong planeta, magwapo ka na.
Okay.
Ito.
Ilagay natin sa lupa. Mga kabuseng, nandito na. Kakain na kami ng pipino.
Fresh na fresh. Mga kabusing, bagong pitas, presko na presko mga kabusing.
Ngayon ko ba nakatikim mga kabusing na pipino?
Ito ang mga kabusing, oh. Ang daming mga bunga.
Wala.
Ano insecticide?
Parang bante yung maliit.
Salamat mga kabusing sa panonood sa aming video. Ito, marami pa mga kabusing, hindi namin maubos. Ito oh. Mag-harvest kami mamaya. Ito, marami pa oh. Sa hindi pa, kung bago pa kayo sa aming channel, please paki-subscribe sa aming channel, Net Mix Vlog. Maraming salamat po.